Hello and welcome to a short video on my first ever rental purchase, St. James Row, back in 2017. St. James Row was purchased for £22,500 back in 2017. The property had a 20k renovation, which was a full strip back, rewire and new central heating system. The seller lived in America and I was put in touch with them through the local council's empty home department. The property had no heating system and was just very dated, with the living room floor suffering from bouncing floor joists. This was only my second ever property purchase and renovation and was the first one that needed a full rip out. The first week was all about stripping the property back and clearing all of the waste, with the kitchen and bathroom being removed. Lots and lots of layers of wallpaper were removed by hand. The electric first fix was also completed this week, which was a big box tick so early on. In week 2, the new heating system was installed along with the bathroom suite. The floorboards at both sides of the living room were removed, and then the joists were supported with a new brick structure under the floor which stopped the bounce in the joists. In week 3, the old fire hearth was filled with concrete and the new internal doors were fitted. I started to strip off the damaged plaster in the bathroom and also made some frames for the new plasterboard under the stairs. In the garden I removed the tree and fitted a gate and fence. Week 4 saw some big changes to the property and really changed its appearance. The new double glazing and doors were fitted and the plastering started. The upstairs was bonded whilst downstairs was fully skimmed. The difference was huge. In week 5 a lot happened. The upstairs was plastered and I began the job of tiling the bathroom and kitchen. I will never half-tile a room ever again. My God, it is one boring job. Some of the upstairs also had some paint applied and the stair banister was fitted. During week 6 the never-ending job of tiling continued and I did build a couple of kitchen units. The property continued to be painted and you could really start to see the change in the property. It was slowly moving from a building site to a potential home. In week 7 I fitted my second kitchen. If it was straight I was happy to do it all myself, and they are quite easy once you get the hang of it and you take your time. The shower cubicle went in and the last bit of bathroom painting was completed. Week 8 was all about grouting. If you thought tiling was dull, grouting is a new experience. The bathroom floor was boarded and then the house was ready for new flooring. Week 9. We have carpets. This is definitely my favorite part of the renovation, as the building site turns into a home in just one day. The house looked amazing and I was pleased with the work that had been completed. Now it was all about finding my first ever tenant. When you get to the end of a renovation you easily forget how bad the property was when you first started. It is always worth taking images at the very start, and then trying to get images at the end from the same viewpoint. It is amazing what you can achieve and how something that was initially uninhabitable is suddenly a very desirable home, and all completed in a relatively short amount of time. For just my second ever renovation I was really pleased with the result. Even after completing over 180 renovations, these images of St. James Row are still my favorite listing images. I had made the decision to buy myself a proper camera and wide-angle lens, as I did not want to pay someone to do something that I thought would be relatively easy. I absolutely love how the house turned out, and my idea of using the staging furniture from my first flip in my rental was a fantastic idea. The property rented straight away for £450 per month back in 2017, and now in 2022 it achieves £600, which for a one-bedroom property is amazing. Thanks for watching and I hope that you enjoyed my first ever rental. If you want to know more then feel free to get in touch for a chat.